Ever found yourself in a tug-of-war with your car insurance company over a claim? It's a situation no one relishes, but knowing how to navigate this process can make a world of difference. That's where we come in. This video will provide a comprehensive guide on how to resolve disputed car insurance claims. Why? Because understanding the process ensures fair treatment and can lead to the best possible outcome. So, stay tuned as we delve into the steps to navigate through a disputed car insurance claim. First things first, know your policy inside and out. Understanding the fine print of your car insurance policy is crucial. It's like your car's own personal constitution. It dictates what's covered, what's not, and how to go about claiming what's rightfully yours. By familiarizing yourself with the terms and conditions, you're equipping yourself with the tools necessary to navigate any disputed claim. It's about knowing your rights, responsibilities, and resources. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it might just be your key to a successful claim. Next up, document some more. The importance of thorough documentation in resolving disputed car insurance claims cannot be overstated. Let's break it down. Every detail related to the claim must be meticulously recorded. Start by snapping clear photos of the damage. The more angles, the better. Then, secure a copy of the police report. This official document can provide an unbiased account of the incident. Don't forget about witness statements. If there were any bystanders during the incident, their accounts can be invaluable. Make sure their statements are detailed and include their contact information for any follow-ups. Lastly, keep a record of all your communication with the insurance company. Emails, letters, even phone call notes, they all count. These documents collectively serve as your evidence. If the dispute escalates, they can be your strongest ally. Remember, when it comes to disputed claims, every piece of evidence can make a difference. When in doubt, bring in the professionals. It's a simple motto, but it holds a lot of weight when you're navigating the murky waters of disputed car insurance claims. Professionals like lawyers or public adjusters are well versed in the ins and outs of insurance claims. They understand the legal jargon, the procedures, and the tactics that insurance companies might use. These experts can help you make sense of your claim, advise you on the best course of action, and even negotiate on your behalf. They can tailor their advice to your specific situation, taking into account the details of your policy, the nature of the accident, and the extent of the damages. Yes, hiring a professional does involve an additional cost, but think of it as an investment rather than an expense. Their guidance can help you avoid costly mistakes and could significantly increase your chances of a successful outcome in your dispute. While it may be an additional cost, a professional's guidance can prove invaluable in a dispute. So, there you have it, the roadmap to resolving a disputed car insurance claim. We've journeyed through 3 pivotal steps. Firstly, understanding your policy, a crucial stage that sets the foundation. It's about knowing your rights and obligations, which can make all the difference in any claim, disputed or not. Secondly, documenting everything, because when it comes to insurance claims, the devil is in the details. Every piece of information, every photograph, every receipt can tilt the balance in your favor. Lastly, but certainly not least, consulting a professional. This step could be your game changer, providing you with expert advice and guidance that can steer you towards a successful resolution. Each step is a cornerstone, essential in building a strong case and ensuring a successful outcome. Remember, disputes can be overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can navigate through them successfully. Until next time, safe driving and informed claiming.